Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to add keyframes in CapCut. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up CapCut on your desktop or PC. So after opening up the CapCut, you guys have to just simply import the footage on which you want to add keyframes. So after importing the footage, you have to just simply drag the footage to a timeline. Here you can see it is dragged to timeline. So after dragging to timeline, now you guys have to just simply make sure that which kind of effect you want to create with keyframes. So here I want to create a zoom effect with the help of keyframe. So in order to make the keyframe effect, you guys have to just simply go to the beginning of the video where you want to add the keyframe and where you want the effect to get started. So here I want to get the effect on keyframe, and I want to make the zoom animation. So in order to make the zoom, we have to just simply increase the scale after the duration of time. So here we have to just simply click on this triangle button to add a keyframe. So after adding the keyframe on scale, because we want to update the scale with the next duration. So after some time, as like that, we have to just simply make the zoom effect. So we have to again add a keyframe and simply increase the footage to like 130, and our effect has been added. Now you guys can see how it affect our video and how keyframe make effects. You can see here it has added a keyframe for the first keyframe, and here the second keyframe. The first keyframe shows that here the effect will be started, and the last keyframe will tell us that where the effect has been ended. You guys can clearly see our footage has been zooming, and you can also add another position keyframe or rotation keyframe as well, as according to like this. For assume that I want to change the position, so I can just simply go to the position keyframe and we want to add the position keyframe. Here just tap on this, and here we have to just simply go adjust the footage position. So after that we have to just simply go to the next position where we want to effect to get ended. So here we have to just simply adjust the position and our keyframe has been added. You guys can see our second keyframe has been added. Now you guys can see here is the first keyframe and here is the second keyframe. So you guys can see the effect of keyframe by just taking a look at it. Now you guys can see how beautifully it is animating. So this is the effect of keyframe, and in this way you guys can use the keyframes. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.